Son of Bhrigu, Gung Ho, Deep Work, Gopi Diaries coming home. Is this anything? The answer is no. And amusing ourselves to death. Those are the 7 books that we'll talk about in this weekly vlog. 3 books that I've been reading. Number 1 is Gung Ho. This is the book. मुझे इसका कवर बहुत प्यारा लगा. ये पिंक कलर भी बहुत प्यारा लगा. आई नो सम ऑफ यू विल से कि ये पिंक नहीं है, पिंक का कोई डेरिवेटिव है, बट एनीवे दिस बुक वाज रेफर्ड टू मी बाय समवन इन द प्रोफेशनल सर्कल एंड आई लुक्ड इट अप ऑन Amazon. It had great review. Deep Work, we spoke about it in the last week's vlog as well. ये किताब मैं हर दिन 10-15 पेज पढ़ रहा हूँ. I am right now on page number 138. I read around 15 pages every morning. It just happens to be the book that I really needed at this point in time. At the start of the year when I'm looking to say कि करना क्या है, this is teaching me that I should be picking specific important topics and going deep into them rather than spraying my attention. And then here's the book number 3, Son of Bhrigu, The Patala Prophecy. The Patala Prophecy is a series, is what I'll call it. ये मेरे मित्र ने मुझे बताई थी कि अच्छी किताब है. You also happen to have this, so he said, yeah, go ahead, pick it up. तो मैं कुछ महीनों पहले अपने दोस्त के पास से किताब लेके आया था. अभी मैंने ये पहली किताब पढ़नी स्टार्ट की है and I am on page 110. And there are 3 books that I finished reading this last week. Number 1 is this, Sudha Murthy's The Gopi Diaries coming home. I know you'll say कि यार बच्चों की किताब है. Actually बच्चों की किताब है, but I just happened to pick this up when I was talking to my daughter and फिर मैंने पूरी पढ़ ली. अब पढ़ ली तो पढ़ ली. I would rate this as a 10 on 10 if it comes to kids. Second book that I read is This Anything? Is This Anything पढ़ने में मुझे शायद 1.5 साल लग गए. It took me so long, not because the book is huge, which by the way it is, but for the fact कि आप उस बुक को कहीं पे भी पढ़ना छोड़ सकते हो, 4 महीने बाद फिर से उठा सकते हो and it will still make sense to you. The main criteria there is you must have watched Seinfeld. Seinfeld is the guy who's written the book and that entire book is nothing but his comedy sketches. तो अगर आप कॉमेडी स्केच पढ़ रहे हो, you should be able to think about Seinfeld delivering that text and you love it. अगर आपने Seinfeld नहीं देखा हुआ है, then forget it, don't think about reading that book. The third book that I read is The Answer Is No. I found this on my Kindle library, freely available because I happen to be a Prime member, which a lot of you may be. I read this in a couple of hours, 68 pages of absurdity, but absurdity which was cute and extremely funny. Highly recommended, a 9 on 10. And there's one book that I added to my to be read list, and the name of that book is Amusing Ourselves to Death. So that's my time for this week. How's been your week so far? Happy reading.